Hey y'all, so the unit I'll be rocking today is from Shein. Yes, I said Shein. They sent over this lace kit. Comes with glue remover, edge control, and a wax stick. This is the unit, y'all. Yes, this came from Shein. This is their transparent lace kinky curly wave unit in a 13 by 4. It has the HD lace. It's 180 density and in 14 inches. This is what the cap looks like. It has combs, adjustable band, and everything. So I'm going to be applying this over my micro lock. So I just put a wig cap on and I'm just making sure I get that situated because yeah, so my wig lays as flat as possible. Getting some even lace tinting spray and I'm spraying it all over the lace so it matches my skin tone. And I cut the lace off camera. I'm just going to go ahead and apply the unit to my head. It does come in a middle part. So basically, I just put it back in the ponytail. I'm going to be using my edges because I have a low hairline and I like to use my edges when I have a curly wig. So I'm just combing them out. I was trying to decide if I was going to cut the ear tabs, but I decided to just leave them. I'm going to take the even lace spray and I'm just going to spray that across my hairline because I don't like to use glue. So yeah, if you like to use glue, but I use spray. So then I'm going to apply the band that came in her lace wig kit. And it's really, really long, so I like that. I let that sit, and then once I took it off, I'm just combing the hairline back, just getting it adjusted. I'm going to go ahead and swoop my baby hairs around with some edge control. Now, you can definitely pluck this unit if you would like to pluck this unit. I chose not to, but yeah, you can if you want to. So I'm just fixing my edges. And you can also pull some edges out of the wig if you want to. So I decided to go with the flip over method, no part. I wanted to brush this unit out just so I could see how big it got, and it gets really big. So if you like big hair, you definitely can use this unit. Use it. I mean, you could wear it like this and it look really nice. And look how much volume. Like, it is so dense. It is so much hair on this unit for the price. Shein. Y'all did y'all big one. So I'm just going to spray it back down because I wanted to go with a more like curlier look. So I'm just literally spraying down, spraying down, spraying it down. Decided to go ahead and go in with some mousse so that the curls will hold and get super defined. So I'm just literally applying that and I'm just using my brush to rake it through. Y'all, this hair is super soft, super full, really easy to comb through. Like, y'all, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful hair. So I'm just adding some more mousse because I really, really wanted to see how defined I could get these curls. And y'all see the curls are already forming and coming through. Like, this unit really is a 2-for-1 because you could wear it big and then you can wear it fluffy, and I love that. So I'm just continuing to work on the curls and get them to how I want them to be, and I'm just working on the other side. Thing is done and set, I went ahead and applied some of the wax stick that they sent me to the front, and I'm just like smoothing it out because the middle part was still popping out, but I ain't want to do no part. Look at this unit, y'all. Look how bouncy. Look at the luster. It's really, really beautiful. The curls are super defined. Like, get into this. Like, it looks so good. It's laying so flat, and I just love how flattering and pretty and soft this unit just looks beautiful on me. Love it. Okay, Shein, y'all did not come to play, and I love that about y'all. Y'all said we gonna do it, we gonna do it right. Okay, you guys, so hey y'all, we made it to the end of the video. Y'all, this Shein wig is bomb. Like, do y'all see my hair? Like, get into this, get into the curls, get into it all. Like, just get into it. So as you guys know, this is their transparent lace kinky curly wave unit. It's a 13 by 4 lace unit. Let me make sure I'm telling y'all the right density. It's 180 density and it is in 14 inches. Y'all know I love a good 14 inch. That's my length. I love that. So I have reviewed Shein wigs in the past, as you guys know, but this is my first time trying a curly unit. And I remember in the last video that I did, I told y'all that I was going to try a curly unit, and I got it on today. Y'all, this unit is bomb. It's super affordable. Like, you can't beat this, y'all. It was easy to install. The lace is super flat. It doesn't, to me, come like pre-plucked. So you may have to do some more plucking if you like a thinner looking hairline. But it doesn't really bother me because I knew I was going to do the flip over method anyways. Because when I wear curly units, I don't tend to like parts. I don't mind it here and there, but I don't know. I just feel like the flip over just looks so good, so seamless, and it just looks more natural like this without a part. Like, cause you can't really, you know what I'm saying? Like, you can't tell if this my hair or not. Like, it looks really natural. And then y'all know I have a low hairline, so I just use my real baby hairs, and it works out perfect. But the lace laid down really nicely. The lace is super thin. They also sent their 7P lace wig kit. Basically, it comes like with the glue and the remover, but y'all know I do not use glue on my wigs because, yeah, I don't use glue unless it's like a braided wig. But it did come with some edge control and a wax stick. I did use a wax stick, and it also came with like an edge comb and a band. So I think that was really nice and really helpful that you could go ahead and also purchase that. I believe that is very affordable. Yes, very affordable as well. So that will definitely be linked in the description box below. But y'all, this unit is bomb. It's super soft. And y'all saw when I combed it out, it gets big. So if you like a more like bigger look, you definitely can get that with this unit. I went ahead and used mousse, and the mousse did an amazing job. It's my first time using that mousse. Recommended for your curly units. Like, I'm gonna go get the big bottle of that because that was a sample, but I'm gonna go get that. That's bomb. Like, do y'all see how defined these curls are? Like, my hair is still a little bit wet. What I like about it is it's not like getting super poofy, so I love that. Y'all, this unit is a 10 out of 10. Like, wow. Wow. Like, you can't tell me this is not amazing. Like, this is freaking beautiful. Like, Shein, y'all gotta get this unit. If you like curly hair like me, you need this unit. Seriously. Like, Shein, I didn't know y'all was doing it like this. Like, I knew y'all was doing it like this, but this curly unit ain't down. So y'all know now y'all can get y'all curly units from Shein. They also do have a buy one get one collection as well, so that will be linked in the description where you can buy a wig and get a wig. So I think that's really dope. But these units are super affordable and great quality. There is minimum shedding, but it's not like bad or anything. Like, it's just beautiful, y'all. Like, it's soft, it's not itchy, it's not scratchy. The lace isn't bothering me. As y'all can see, it is HD lace. Like I said, you can go ahead and pluck it somewhere if you want. I use my real baby hairs. It just is a beautiful unit, y'all. I'm definitely gonna go ahead and get this a 9 out of 10. Beautiful, affordable. You cannot beat it. Get your hands on this unit because you can wear it multiple ways. I could also do like a half up, half down if I wanted to, but I just wanted to do like a flip over method with no parts. It did originally come in a middle part, but y'all know how I feel about the middle parts. Shein said we that girl. They said we won't stop shopping it. Okay, come get your outfit, your shoes, your bag, your earrings, your jewelry. Come get your wig, get your accessories. They even got the lace wig kit for you. They said we a one-stop shop, baby. You can get it all with us. And I love them for that. Make sure y'all go ahead and check out Shein if you haven't already. The unit that I'm rocking will be linked in the description box below, as well as the lace kit will be linked in the description box below as well. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.